Again, remember, these subjects also have subparts to them that are parts of the mistakes, but the five top ones are, no research, not knowing who you're doing business with. Okay. Now, if you're working with larger corporations, companies that have been established for a long time, then it's pretty easy to determine whether those partners are going to be viable partners for you and you understand what kind of products they have and things like that. But if you're working, this is especially a critical point if you're working with smaller partners. And I'm going to share with you the importance of research and things that you can do to make sure that you are doing the right kind of research to make sure that you are understanding who this partner is. Second mistake is focusing on the money. And you may be asking, why is this part of the mistake with partnerships? Because if you focus on the money, a lot of times you can turn away or overlook the value of a good partnership. I mean, I can tell you that a good partnership is far more valuable than the amount of money you're trying to negotiate, or if you want a big upfront fee. Okay. Because if they're the right partner, they're going to be able to develop the business. Remember, your partnership is about developing the business. And if your focus is all about how much money are they going to pay me, you're not starting off on the right foot with them.